The Silonn Ice Maker Countertop is a portable and compact ice machine designed to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently. With its small footprint of 8.7 by 11.4 by 11.6 inches, it easily fits on countertops or kitchen islands without taking up much space. This ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, generating up to 26 pounds of ice per day. It features a self-cleaning function, a 1.3-pound storage capacity, and a 1.2 liters water tank, making it ideal for home kitchens, camping trips, and RVs. A convenient carry handle and scoop add to its portability and ease. Users love the Silonn Ice Maker for its compact size and quick ice production. The ability to make 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes is highly praised, making it perfect for entertaining or daily use. The carry handle and lightweight design are standout features, allowing users to move it between rooms or take it on trips with ease. Many appreciate the self-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance and keeps the ice fresh. The simple control panel with easy steps for operation is also a favorite, making this machine both efficient and user-friendly for homes, offices, or outdoor activities. While the Silonn Ice Maker performs well overall, some users have mentioned that the ice cubes tend to melt quickly in the storage basket as it isn't refrigerated, requiring frequent transfers to a freezer. Others pointed out that the machine can be a bit noisy during the ice-making process, which might be a concern in quieter settings. Additionally, a few users wished the machine had a larger storage capacity, as the 1.3 pounds limit means ice needs to be removed regularly if making large batches. Despite these concerns, most find the quick production and portability to outweigh these minor drawbacks. The Silonn Ice Maker Countertop is a highly efficient and portable solution for anyone needing ice on demand. With its quick production time and compact design, it's perfect for home kitchens, RVs, and camping trips. While the non-refrigerated storage and some noise during operation might be small downsides, its ease of use, self-cleaning function, and portability make it a great addition to any home or event. Whether you're hosting a party or simply want fresh ice, this machine is a reliable and convenient choice.